The Cessna TTx is one of the world's fastest fixed-gear aircraft. November 5525 Lima is a stunning example of the TTx. With exceptional performance and utility category certification, it is the best-handling aircraft in its class. It is powered by a 310 horsepower twin-turbocharged Continental TSIO-550-C engine with dual intercoolers. November 5525 Lima is equipped with a 4-place built-in oxygen system as well as air conditioning, so you and your passengers will fly in comfort. November 5525 Lima also features speed brakes, prop heat, rudder hold, Rosen visors, and Oregon Aerosport seats. Comfort, refinement, and luxury are the essential characteristics of this aircraft's all-black interior. The 4 seats are outfitted with a unique 3-point harness that makes your flying experience more relaxing. You can bring plenty of luggage because of the large, lockable baggage compartment in the rear of the plane. The avionics were designed to offer maximum reliability, safety, and situational awareness. November 5525 Lima has the Garmin G2000 glass cockpit with a Garmin GFC-700 fully integrated flight control system. The G2000 features synthetic vision, WAAS, ADS-B, electronic charts, and Garmin's touchscreen control unit. Fly faster, higher, and further with this luxurious sports car of the sky. Call or email HPA for more details on your future plane.